Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete all completed tasks in Microsoft To Do so you can keep your list clutter free. So let's get started. First, open your Microsoft To Do on your desktop, web or mobile. Select the list where you have marked items as completed. So if your task is done, just click on the dot and this will go to your completed list. Now, at the end of your list, you will see a completed button. So stop down the menu, and here are the tasks which you have already completed. So, if you want to remove it, just click on this, and at the bottom right side, you will see the delete option. So, click on that and confirm it for the permanent deletion. Now, same process you have to apply on the other task. And once you are done with doing all the completed tasks, go and refresh your page. And that's it. You can clean up your list before doing all completed tasks in Microsoft To Do. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.